In this question, we have got two questions and we can write any one among this for the exam. But in this video, let's solve both the questions one by one. Now first, let's look into the first question. Here they have asked us to find out the vector r which is equally inclined to all the three axes and whose magnitude is 3 root 3 units. Now if r is a vector which is equally inclined to all the three axes, then I can take this out as ai plus aj plus ak, where a is the distance from all the three axes. Now if I'm going to take out the magnitude of this, I'll get root of a square plus a square plus a square, and they have also given the magnitude which is going to be 3 root 3. I can take this out as 3 root 3. On solving this, I'll get a root of 3 times of a square is equals to 3 root 3. On comparing this, I'll get root of 3a square is equals to root of 3 times of 9. With this, I can say a square equals to 9 or a equals to plus or minus 3. So with this, I can write down the vector as 3i plus 3j plus 3k, or it can also be written as vector r equals to negative 3i, negative 3j, negative 3k. So this is our final answer. Now let's look into the second question. In the second question, they have asked us to find out the angle between the unit vectors a and b so that root 3 times of vector a minus vector b is also a unit vector. Now they have said that root 3 times of vector a minus vector b is a unit vector. If it is a unit vector, then its magnitude will be equals to 1. Now if its magnitude equals to 1, with this I can say root 3 times of vector a minus vector b magnitude whole square is equals to 1. Now since we know that this is of the form a minus b whole square, I can write this out as root 3 vector a magnitude whole square plus vector b magnitude whole square minus 2 times of root 3 times of a dot b is equals to 1. Now root 3 square is going to be 3 and magnitude of a is going to be 1, so it will remain 3 as it is, plus magnitude of b is going to be 1 minus 2 times of root 3 times of vector a dot b is equals to 1. Let me take 2 root 3 a dot b on the other side. I'll get 2 root 3 times a dot b, and this is equals to 3. So on simplifying this, I'll get vector a dot b is equals to 3 divided by 2 root 3. Now 3 and root 3, if I'm going to cancel, I'll get this out as root 3 by 2. Now we know that a dot b equals to root 3 by 2, and a dot b is given by magnitude of a, magnitude of b cos theta. Since we know that both the magnitudes is equals to 1, so I can say cos theta is equals to root 3 by 2. With this, I can find out the angle between them. Theta is equals to pi by 6, which is our final answer.